In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books. If you're managing your business finances, Zoho Books is a fantastic tool for keeping everything in check, and knowing how to enter purchase entries is crucial. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in and looking at the main dashboard, take a glance over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various options that allow you to navigate through the different sections of Zoho Books. What you'll want to do next is click on Purchases. This section is where you'll manage all your purchase-related activities, including entering new purchases, managing bills, and more. After you've clicked on Purchases, you'll be directed to a page that deals with all purchase-related entries. Now, locate and click on Bills. This is the specific section where you'll be able to enter new purchase entries in the form of bills. The Bills section in Zoho Books is designed to help you keep track of all the bills you need to pay, ensuring you manage your cash flow effectively. Once you're in the Bills section, look for the button that says Create a Bill. Clicking this will take you to a new form where you can input all the necessary details for your purchase entry. This is where things get a bit more detailed, so let's walk through it carefully. You'll need to start by entering the vendor information. If you have already set up vendors in Zoho Books, you can simply select the vendor from the drop-down list. If not, you'll have the option to add a new vendor right there on the spot. Next, fill in the bill details such as the bill number, bill date, and due date. These details are crucial as they help you stay organized and ensure you're paying your vendors on time. After the basic information, move on to item details. Here, you'll specify what was purchased by entering the items, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. Zoho Books makes it easy by allowing you to select items from a pre-existing list or add new items if needed. Make sure to double-check all the figures and details you've entered to avoid any discrepancies later on. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything. If all looks good, go ahead and save or approve the bill, depending on your organizational process. And just like that, you've successfully entered a purchase entry in Zoho Books. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you keep your business finances organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!